The audacity of you bitch try to come in my city. You coming to my city thinking I ain't running this shit?
Yeah.
Please, bitch. I ain't scared, I'm in safe mode. I'ma be pretty still. I'm gonna punch me 2 bitches out. No, 3. I'm slapping 3 bitches. I'm slapping 3 on.
You better hold it down for the hood. You better not get beat up, nigga.
You, man, listen. I ain't scared, I'm in safe mode. Ho, I ain't getting no name out tiny. Motherfucking T.I. family hustle, none of that. I'm self-made, bitch. You just affiliated. It's a big difference, bitch.
Now, when these cameras come on, the motherfuckers do too much.
Do the most. This hoe's on mute. Y'all hoes talk too much. But guess what, though? When y'all hoes start getting hit in y'all motherfucking mouth, for all that motherfucking lollygagging that y'all hoes doing, that's the problem. They won't let y'all hoes get to it motherfuckers quick enough. Dumbass bitch. I ain't getting no name out T.I., Tiny, Family Hustle, VH1. Bitch, I been self-made, ho. Self-made. Self-made. I grinded for this shit, ho. You riding your best friend coattail. It's a big difference, punk pussy ass ho. You go down before the camera take a want. Y'all lame ass, suck ass ho, lollipop ass bitches. How dare y'all? Cause you know security gonna break that shit up.
Now what is, I know you don't give 2 shits, but.
I don't. Nah, y'all don't give fuck 2 shits. I don't give 1 shit. Fuck.
They say you still bringing up shit from 2-3 years ago.
I show now cause he ain't got to solve, bitch. He ain't get to solve. He ain't get solved. The problem didn't get solved. Cause you still right here hanging. Gonna tell me I pulled up in Tommy's studio session. Bitch, that was my studio session. That hoe was 3 hours 6. Bitch, you was 6 hours late. Come on, hoe, you came in there playing, pump faking, got your ass beat. Drummer boy right there. 8 ball from 8 ball to MHJG right there. You ate every goddamn fist and hit and feet I gave you, punk asshole.
And did that have anything to do with the show?
It ain't had nothing to do with no show. Nothing to do with no motherfucking show. Lame ass, suck ass hoes. Y'all never some lollipop. You see how scary this hoe was, man? How the hoe say I'm not gonna fight her? Yeah, hoe. Playing. Oh, gorilla. Yeah, bitch, cause I go ape shit. Yeah. Yeah, I am a motherfucking gorilla. I'm an ape, bitch. Yeah. King Kong, bitch. I'm his daughter, hoe. Yeah. ABG, anybody get it? Anybody get this shit. It's just like government food stamps, hoe. Get it. You want it, you get it. You apply for it, you get it, bitch.
So
I ain't scared, I'm in safe mode.
The point is, bitches think they can say anything to you.
And that's the thing. That's the thing. These bitches talk too motherfucking much. You can't say anything to me. Don't bring up nothing about my child. You shouldn't speak about them kids. Period. Come or feel offended. If you say you need to be in the house with your child, if you say anything, I feel offended. Don't mention my kids, period. Hold that, get your front teeth missing. Man, one thing about me, I'm a real bitch. I done won some. I done lost some. I done tied up with bitches. But one thing they know, I'm here first, ask the question later. And I got a full crew with me. Believe that.
This just made it clear, like, yeah, I did fly.
Yeah, they did fly. I grew. It's a difference. I'm in the soil, bitch. I'm in the soil, the dirt. I got my mom. I'm a Grady baby, bitch.
The reason why I said that does not prove your point.
It does prove my point. And like I said, I'm a real bitch. If I was wrong, you felt offended, I apologize. But I ain't gonna apologize for being a fucking queen. This is my fucking shit, bitch. I paid homage for this. I stayed down for this shit. Fuck all y'all hoes. Who want it though? Nobody wanna fight. Y'all fucking fight cause y'all hoes know. Y'all hoes know that shit go left. Punk pussy ass hoes. I'm sick of these bitches.
Love and Hip Hop Atlanta is about Atlanta and where these bitches from.
They from all over the goddamn place. I thought Love and Hip Hop was Atlanta. I see these bitches from every goddamn where. Afghanistan, Germany, I don't even know. But they could take Shekinah and she could be from over there, wherever the goddamn other bitches from, and let them be here. Let them be here from Atlanta. Punk ass hoe. And this hoe a punk.
And on top of that, basically, all you trying to do is do your music.
That's all I'm trying to do. I just want to rap. I want to be the best I can be. Martin Luther King would have respected me. Rosa Parks would have loved me. Harriet Tubman. They would have stood behind me because I stand for something. Fuck wrong with these bitches.
How tired these hoes? Let me finish. How tired are you of these hoes in their...
I ain't scared. I'm in safe mode, bitch. But I'm riding through the hood, no tits on, bitch. Yeah, in a hot box, bitch. You know how I'm kicking it. Feel what I'm saying? We letting out the winners on this one. You feel me? I'm in safe mode. I ain't scared. You know what I mean? I'm out here. I'm about to go eat. You know what I mean? I'm feeling myself. Did y'all pray today? Ask God, thank God for waking y'all up this morning? Because I know I did. I'm in safe mode.